In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Hostinger with WordPress. By the end, your custom domain will point to your WordPress site hosted at Hostinger, so visitors can reach it using a clean, professional URL. First, open your browser and go to Hostinger's H-Panel homepage. This is the central dashboard where you manage your hosting, websites, and domains. Once you're on the home screen, you'll be ready to connect your domain to your WordPress site. Next, head to the Websites section. This area lists every site you've created or installed under your hosting plan. If you've already set up WordPress through Hostinger, you'll see your site tile here. Opening this section keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to bounce between different menus while you link your domain. Inside Websites, look for the option labeled Connect Domain. This is the feature that ties your custom domain to the selected site. Clicking it opens a simple flow that Hostinger uses to map your domain to your WordPress installation behind the scenes, handling the technical routing for you. When prompted, type in your domain, then choose Next. Enter it exactly as registered, such as example.com without HTTP, HTTPS, or trailing slashes. You don't need to add www. Hostinger will handle that preference after the connection, and you can decide whether to force the www version or the non-www version later in your settings. If your domain is registered at Hostinger, the system can usually verify and link it automatically. If your domain is registered elsewhere, you may see a note about DNS or nameservers. That's just a heads up that the domain should point to Hostinger's nameservers for everything to work. Once that's in place, DNS changes can take a bit to propagate globally, often within a few hours, and in some cases up to 24-48 hours. So don't worry if the connection isn't instant everywhere. After you click Next, Hostinger finalizes the link. From here, give it a little time and then try visiting your domain in a private or incognito window to avoid cached results. If you've enabled the free SSL in your site's hosting settings, your domain should load securely over HTTPS once the certificate is issued. If you see a temporary page or the site doesn't update right away, that's typically just propagation finishing up. And that's all there is to it. You went to the H-Panel homepage, opened Websites, chose Connect Domain, entered your domain, and confirmed. Your WordPress site is now linked to your custom domain on Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly connected site.